Alright, this heavy duty moving dolly made moving heavy items feel easier than expected. I used it with an AC unit and a heavy smart toilet, and both moved safely and smoothly like they were just gliding on ice. Now, I was sent this heavy duty moving dolly by KEDSUM, and the first thing I did was extend the platform to match the size of what I was moving around. The loading space adjusts from a smaller width out to a much wider base, which makes it work for bulky items like refrigerators, washing machines, and large appliances. Right here, I place the AC unit onto the dolly and it immediately feels stable under the weight. The reinforced steel pipe structure combined with 6 wheel support is built for heavy loads and it is rated up to 2,000 pounds. I start rolling it and the swivel wheels make turning smooth even in tighter spaces. The motion stays controlled and the brake wheels help lock it in place when I need to stop, load, or reposition. I move the smart toilet the same way and it stays balanced without flexing or wobbling. This dolly works both indoors and outdoors, and the wheels handle uneven surfaces while still staying easy to steer. If you need an expandable, heavy duty dolly that safely moves appliances, furniture, and building materials with smooth turning and added braking control, this KEDSUM dolly does the job well.